Hi everyone, welcome to Flash Animation tutorial. Today we're gonna make this last project in Shape Tween. Probably you have seen this animation while you play some the games on the internet. Some mini games for kids. While it's loading, it shows an image in animation which presents that it's loading, it's proceeding. Let's see together what kind of thing it is. With Control Enter, I'm going to play this. So that's what I'm saying. While you wait for the game start, it's going to show this to you loading. So while you watch, the game will be installed. Uh, we will do this project today. As you see, the bar is completing this part, and then the text is coming letters by letters, and writes there loading. Let's start our project. We will do this very quick. First, I'm going to change my background stage color. Let's see, let me do this one. Alright, that's good. And after that, we're gonna work with the layers. We will have 3 layers. My first layer will be monitor. And I'm going to draw here this monitor. I want to make this yellow. Alright. And then I'm going to put this in the center. And then click double to go to drawing object view. And in this view, I'm going to make this part a little bit the curly from left and right. Okay. And go back to scene. And I want the action to be done in the 30 frames and 30 frames and insert a keyframe. And now I'm going to place another one bar, and here I'm going to make the color red and the rectangle. At first, in the first frame, it's going to be small. It's going to be very thin, the bar. But when we go to the end, I'm going to place another keyframe here, and it will be the largest one. Okay, so as you see in the beginning, it's very thin, it's short, in the last it's going to be large. If I apply here Shape Tween, it's going to fill all these frames with these images, and it's going to transform from the smallest one to the biggest one, and then after that you will see that it's like filling the bar. That's a pretty good animation. With a Control Enter you can see it. And I want him also show the text loading. I'm going to click on this and write that the layer name is text, and after that I'm going to write here L. I'm going to resize it also. Now I'm going to think about the rest of the letters, and there are 6 letters left after the L to complete the loading, and I'm going to divide this 30 into 6. For each 6 frames I'm going to place a keyframe and also new letter. Low. There's another one is going to be, I'll take the 12. Insert a keyframe, low. Yep, we are doing a good job. Loading. Okay. The last one. Alright. So I'm going to play this. It's pretty good. I'm going to play this with a Control Enter. Probably you have seen this animation before you start playing a game on the internet. Now, animated loading bar, it's pretty good animation. So I hope you like this project, and we will have more projects in the following tutorials. Stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.